Hey boys and girls, Miss Stout here. I hope you guys are ready to do some math. So to get ready for today's lesson, you are going to need a place value mat. If you do not have a place value mat, you can easily make one. All you need is a piece of paper, and we are just going to draw 2 lines down it and 1 line across the top, and we're going to label each of these sections. We have our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. Okay, go ahead and click pause on the video and let's go ahead and get our place value mat ready. Okay, so we are going to use our place value mat to help us play a game called Roll and Rename. And we are going to roll a dice. So we have rolled a dice 3 times and we have gotten the number 638. Let's all say that number out loud together. 638. Very good. Now I want you to think in your head, how would I make 638 using hundreds, tens, and ones? Go ahead and build it using base 10 blocks or draw it on your place value mat right now. So now let's decompose or break apart 638. 638, you guys are so right. It has 6 hundreds. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. 638 has 3 tens. 610, 620, 630. 638 has 8 ones. Get those out. And here we have 638. 638 is decomposed or broken up into hundreds, tens, and ones. Now we're going to write down how many hundreds, tens, and ones we used. We used 6 hundreds, we used 3 tens, and we used 8 ones. Can you think about how we could write, how we decompose this into an equation? Go ahead and pause your camera right now. You are correct. We can decompose 638 into 600 plus 30 plus 8. And I just took my 600. I got it from our 600s. 3 tens, 30, 8 ones, 8. Now I wonder, can we decompose 638 in a different way? Go ahead and pause and think about it. What if I wanted to make 638 with only 5 hundreds? Where would this other 100 go? You are right. I could break this 100 up into 10 tens. Let's do that here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 tens equals 100. Do you see how they are the same? Let's put those 2 back on there. So I'm going to take this 100 out and I'm going to put these 10 tens that also equal 100 in our tens place. Now I have 5 hundreds. So let's go ahead and record this. Now we have 5 hundreds. How many tens do we have now? We used to have 3 tens and then we added 10 tens. You are right. We have 13 tens. How many ones do we have? We still have 8 ones. That is right. What number does 5 hundreds, 13 tens, and 8 ones make? Let's write an equation to help us. 500 plus, let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's a group of 100. That must be 10 tens. 110, 120, 130. 13 tens makes 130. Plus, that's right, we still have our 8 ones. 500 plus 130 plus 8 equals, you are right, this is still 638. Do you guys see how we decompose 638 in two different ways? Let's decompose it in one more way. We're gonna stop right now and I want you to think about how you could decompose 638 into a different amount of hundreds, tens, and ones, but have it still equal 638. 638. What if I only want to use 2 tens? How would I make the number 638? Right now this is 628. Where would this 10 have to go? You are very smart. This 10 would be broken up into 10 ones. Watch this. Here's that 10. Let's put our 10 ones here. Do you see how 10 ones, let's zoom in on that. Do we see how 10 ones is the same as 110? Very interesting. So we are going to take that 10 out. Goodbye, 10. And we have broken that 10 up into 10 ones. Now we have, there's 5, 10, 15, 18 ones. Let's go ahead and record how we have decomposed 638. We decomposed 638 into 6 100s. We have done it with 2 10s, and we have 18 ones. Let's write an equation. You are right. It would be 600 plus 1020 plus 18 ones. That's right. 18 ones just makes the number 18. So 600 plus 20 plus 18 also equals 638. Great job doing your math today. Give yourself a huge pat on the back. I'm so proud of you. So now you have the option, you can go to Seesaw and you can do some more roll and rename problems and send them to your teacher, or you can go to our math page and there are some roll and rename problems for you to do on paper at home. You can always take a picture and send them to your teacher. Great job working today. I'll see you tomorrow.